Hello, I'm Elaine Bowman, Project Manager for the NACE International Impact Study.
Hello, I'm Helena Seelinger, Chief Public Affairs Officer for NACE International. Thank you for participating in what's going to be the most groundbreaking study of the costs associated with corrosion in many industries worldwide.
With 16 research partners in 9 countries, this study will provide the most comprehensive data ever recorded on the financial impact of corrosion in the world's largest economies, and will provide economic models and templates. It will focus on more than just cost, with a collection of case histories and industry best practices.
The data provided by all research partners will be combined to provide a global view of the costs and solutions to the challenges and threats of corrosion. The last time a study similar to this was done by the U.S. and by organizations in other countries, each study revealed the excessive amounts of money and resources that are wasted when available corrosion control methods are not used. The impact study, the study that we are talking about today, will be useful not only to the countries participating as research partners, but to all countries and companies facing similar challenges to assets and infrastructure. This study truly has the potential to change the world.
Each year, there is more and more news about the increasing challenges of the aging, poorly maintained infrastructure used in many countries. For example, right here in the U.S., we have more than 66,000 structurally deficient bridges. This study will demonstrate the usefulness of corrosion control methods and the long and short-term affordability of those methods. It will also include data explaining the cost differences between prevention or repair or replacement of assets, information no other study has provided before. Recently, you received the survey questions for this study. As you will see, we all have a lot of work ahead of us in the next few months. Please take a few minutes to review the instructions and don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. My contact information will be available at the end of the video.
Hello, I'm David Bullinger, Senior Advisor with APQC. APQC and DNVGL have been selected to manage the data collection and analysis for the NACE International Impact Study. The survey you have received is very detailed and will require your full attention. We ask you please take as much time as you need to complete it as thoroughly as possible. The more feedback you give us, the better we can define those practices which result in comprehensive insight into corrosion management. Phase 2 of this project will be led by corrosion expert Jerry Cook of DNVGL, who will be conducting face-to-face interviews based on the information you have provided. As a partner of this study, we are asking you to identify and survey as many sources as possible to collect a broad range of information. The more sources you survey and the more information you provide, the better the outcome of this study. As a research partner, you hold the key to ensuring valuable results that will provide a high return on your time and effort to complete this survey. Thank you so very much for your time and valuable participation. We look forward to working with you in the coming months.
Thank you again for taking the time to participate in this important study. I know you have a lot of work ahead of you, so I'll let you get to that work. But please remember, I'm available to answer any questions you may have at any point while you're completing the survey.